came in at Unique Specialty and Classics. We don't see one of these every day around here. 2008 Bentley Continental GTC. This car was close to 200,000 new back in 2008. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles. Just a little over 67,000 is all in this car. Arizona vehicle, up to all but about the last 7,000 miles approximately. 6-liter W12 engine underneath the hood that's putting out 552 horse, 479 pound-feet of torque. 6-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, torsion center differential. Take a look at the front fascia, grille. Paint on this one shows well. Obviously, it's black practically, considered dark beluga black. So you may have an imperfection here or there, but overall paint shows well on it. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where all the still pics are. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. These are the 19-inch 9-spoke alloy wheels. Pirelli tires were put on in 2024, so just recently, under 2,000 miles on the tires. It has also had the comprehensive 6th service and maintenance done by a licensed dealer. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Saddle leather interior bucket seats and all the luxury and equipment that you are going to get from Bentley. We'll come with the manuals, and I'll have pictures of those in with the still pics. We'll show you the top going up and down. Check out the condition of that. We're going to start it up, take a peek underneath the hood, let you hear it run, and we'll take this car for a drive so we can show you how it goes down the road. But first, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It's also going to come with a car cover and a battery tender. Hooks up in the trunk. I have them out on the floor for picture purposes there. We'll put them back in the trunk and they will go along with the car. And once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. You can see over here on the driver's side the reflection in the paint. If you've watched our previous videos, you know what I mean when I say go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Here's a prime example, the 08 Bentley Continental GTC. Like I said, we definitely don't see one of these every day. And looking up and down the driver's side, you can also see paint shows well on this side. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. And take a look at this plush interior. That elegant wood veneer. Finishing off the interior, the center console, the steering wheel. The dash kind of looks like a bird's eye maple. That's what it appears to be to me. Beautiful. And once again, all your modern amenities that you're going to have on a Bentley. When you think about it, 2008, close to $200,000 new. Still a lot of miles left on this to have fun with, and you can have it at a fraction of the cost. Let's fire it up. One thing I want to point out too that I think is cool on these before we start it, take a look at the actual floor mats. Now in the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the carpeting underneath that. These floor mats, they remind me of like a quilted vinyl WeatherTech floor mat. How cool. And not a lot of wear in the seats, just what you'd expect. Lower mile car. All right. So there's your exact miles, 67,261. We will run the top up and down. I'm not positive why it said roof fault unless we didn't run it all the way back down, but I'll run it up and down, show you everything working there. Top of the dash, looks good. stereo system, climate control, heated seats, all the goodies. All right, let's slip around to the back. I want you to hear this run. We're also going to check out the engine bay. It's got a little rumble to it. Again, 6-liter W12. These cars will move, folks. A little bit of weight there, but again, 552 horsepower, 479 pound-feet of torque. All right, let me pop the hood a second. Let's get that open. Check out the engine bay. All right, here we go. Hood popped. Hood struts didn't quite hold that hood all the way open. I wanted to give you a good shot underneath there, so I will help with my prop rod. There it is. That Bentley W12 6-liter. And of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, all your modern amenities. Nice and clean and tidy. Smooth running. That is a twin turbo, by the way. You can see the setup on there. Awesome performing and handling cars, no doubt about that. All right, so there's the engine bay. Let's check out this convertible top going up and down. We'll check out the condition of it. And then remember, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, so there you can see the power top going up and functioning as it should. Also want to roll the windows up there so you can see it. It does have tinted glass, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. Black fabric or black cloth top, very nice shape. Tightens down above the windshield as it should. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes, really much for any wear on this top at all. Tinted rear window with electric rear defogger also. Around to the passenger side here, you can see the glass, side glass fits up in the top well. No rips, tears, or holes over here either. All right. So there's the condition of the top. Now, let's go ahead and show you going back down so you know that it functions both ways. And then we'll wrap up this walk around video and onto the driving video. So sit tight. If you want to watch this top go down, I'll show you that and we'll wrap this up. And there it is with the top going down and completely closed. And I want to show you something real quick too on that information center right there where it mentioned top before. I ran it all the way through the cycle, so it's all the way down now. Obviously it opens and closes as it should. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, well taken care of and maintained. 2008 Bentley Continental convertible. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And remember, stick around. Jason's taking this for a drive.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 2008 Bentley Continental. This is, of course, an automatic, so it's easy to drive for anyone. You also have paddle shift capability right behind the steering wheel. This is a convertible, and we do have the top down today. Plenty of power and strong acceleration from this car. Very luxurious automobile, very well made. And this one in quite nice condition. For gauges, we have a tachometer on the left, speedometer on the right, working as they should. The coolant temperature is approximately 195. And the fuel gauge is reading almost entirely full. Factory stereo sounds great. Very nice fidelity out of that audio. A large screen with buttons on the side for setting your audio and navigation and HVAC settings. Brakes work very well. Nice quiet ride from this car. Corners nicely, stays very level in the corners. Definitely straddling the line of performance and luxury. Lots of power when you put your foot down. Very fun to drive. Nice leather bucket seats in this car. The simulated woodwork looking very good. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.